Hi, Andy here, the author of the Make Each Click Count book series and host of the Make Each Click Count podcast. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been causing confusion and frustration for a lot of advertisers lately: brand restrictions and negative keywords in Performance Max campaigns. This one's been a bit of a hot potato lately. Advertisers are launching Performance Max campaigns and realizing their ads are triggering for searches that don't align with their brand, or worse, that promote competitors. Let's clear the air today and get into what's happening under the hood of Performance Max, how to somewhat control it, because let's face it, Google keeps a tight grip, and how brand exclusions and negative keywords fit into this evolving platform. 1. What exactly are brand restrictions in Performance Max campaigns? Great starting point. So, Performance Max campaigns, or PMax, are designed to be Google's ultimate automation tool. They use machine learning to optimize across all Google properties: search, shopping, YouTube, display, discover, Gmail, you name it. But here's the rub. Because it's all automated, advertisers often lose the kind of control we're used to in traditional search campaigns. And one big pain point: Google sometimes shows your ads on branded searches that you don't want to show up for. Think your competitors' names or brands that don't align with your niche. That's where brand restrictions, also called brand exclusions, come in. They allow you to block your PMax ads from showing up on specific branded search queries. Now, not every advertiser has access to this yet. Google started rolling this out more broadly in late 2023, but you may still need to request access through your Google rep or wait for it to fully hit your account. 2. So what's the difference between brand restrictions and negative keywords in PMax? Good distinction. Brand restrictions are specifically designed to block your ads from showing up for searches involving certain brands, yours or others. Negative keywords, on the other hand, are the traditional way to tell Google, hey, I never want to show up when someone types this. Could be a product you don't carry, a demographic you don't serve, or just poor match intent. Now here's where it gets interesting. For a long time, Google didn't allow negative keywords in PMax campaigns. This led to a lot of frustration. You'd get tons of traffic, but not all of it would be relevant. As of early 2024, Google started allowing account-level negative keywords. That means you can add negative keywords at the account level, and they'll apply to your PMax campaigns. Kind of a workaround, but hey, we'll take it. Still, if you're used to fine-tuning search intent with keyword negatives inside individual campaigns, that's not something PMax fully allows yet. 3. How can you request brand exclusions or get negative keywords added to PMax campaigns if you don't see the option? Great question. And trust me, you're not alone. Here's the deal. If you don't see the brand exclusions feature in your account yet, reach out to your Google rep and specifically request access to the brand exclusion beta. If you don't have a rep, you can submit a support request through Google Ads Support. For account-level negative keywords, you can add them via the Account Settings as Negative Keywords section. Add them there, and they'll apply across all campaigns, including PMax. But be careful here. Account level means account-wide. You add free as a negative, and suddenly your other campaigns that should target free shipping or buy one, get one free are impacted too. So use a scalpel, not a sledgehammer. 4. Can you exclude your own brand in PMax? Should you? Yes, you can, and sometimes should, exclude your own brand in Performance Max. Why? Because PMax campaigns often cannibalize your branded search traffic. What that means is your automated campaign will start showing for searches like your brand plus product, traffic you were probably getting already for cheap through a branded search campaign. So now you're paying more, sometimes a lot more, for the same traffic without added value. By excluding your brand from PMax and running a separate branded search campaign, you get cleaner reporting and more control over your bids and messaging. It's all about separating prospecting from retargeting, and PMax tends to blur the lines unless you draw them yourself. 5. What's your best tip for advertisers trying to make the most of PMax while keeping control? I'd say this: don't treat Performance Max like a set-it-and-forget-it tool. Yes, it's automated, but no, that doesn't mean it's hands-off. Keep feeding the machine high-quality inputs, meaning well-structured asset groups, sharp audience signals, quality creative, and conversion tracking that's dialed in. Then, layer in control where you can. Use account-level negatives strategically. Request brand exclusions. Run separate search campaigns for branded traffic. Monitor placement reports via insights and adjust creative or targeting accordingly. And finally, test. Always test. Whether it's different creative, different audience signals, or simply comparing PMax performance against your shopping campaigns, don't let automation make you lazy. For anyone out there running e-commerce ads, navigating brand control in PMax is crucial. Don't let Google's automation take the wheel without you riding shotgun. If you have a question on online advertising or need more tips on e-commerce marketing, let me know on my YouTube channel, within the Make Each Click Count Facebook group, or send me an IM or email at info@makeeachclickcount.com, and I'd love to help. And until next time, happy marketing.